men, women, and all genders. Ulitin ko, ang ROTC ay para sa lahat. What does it mean, however, to say that ROTC is for all? Of course, there are the more obvious interpretations na ang training ay para sa lahat dahil walang pinipili ang giyera. Walang pinipili ang sakuna o trahedya. Nitong mga nakaraang araw lamang, naranasan natin ang hagupit ng bagyong Karina. While it did not even make a landfall in the Philippines, the combination of strong winds and strong rains was more than enough to cause so much damage. And no, it did not discriminate based on age, sex, gender, religion, or whatever. Which means clearly that training for disaster preparedness is something that all of us must do. Wala rin pinipili ang kahandaan. Nararapat lamang na ang bawat isa sa atin ay handang lumaban. Handang tumugon sa pangangailangan. Handang tumulong sa kapwa. But more than anything, when I say that ROTC is for all, I mean to say one simple thing. ROTC is for all. Because love for country is for all. It is not a matter of age, sex, gender, or status in life. Loving one's country is a task, a mission for all of us. And I am so proud to see all of you, especially our Miss ROTC Luzon candidates rising to the occasion. Alam nyo, every year, pataas ng pataas yung standard ng Miss ROTC. Ngayon, magugulat ka lang, parang Miss International yung ating mga kandidata ngayon. Naway magpatuloy kayo sa inyong pagmamahal sa ating inang bayan. When the time comes for her to be defended, our beloved motherland has no one else to turn to, only us, her people. It is my prayer that when this time arrives, we shall all be ready and willing to live for her, to die for her, to fight for her, to the very end. Huwag sana niyong gayahin yung ibang mga kabataan na kung sa social media, gustong-gusto makipag-giyera sa China, galit na galit sa China, pero ayaw naman mag-ROTC. Meron tayong mga mababatas. Galit na galit, gustong makipag-giyera sa China, pero ayaw naman tumulong na ipasa ang ROTC bill. But anyway, andito na yung ating majority leader. We will do everything para may pasa ito. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ipagdasal natin na sana tuluyan ng may sabatas ang ROTC. I for one will not give up. Sagot ko kayo, itaga nyo sa bato. God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Senator.